the video starts, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to be up to date with all my newest videos. Now, let's get into the video. Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to the next episode of Sony Vegas Tutorials. In this one, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to subtitle. I'm using the same clip as I did the last video. It's pretty easy to do. So what you're going to want to do, you could do it one of two ways. One, you could do insert text media, and then just type the message in here. Use a font of some sort. Like I use, where's it at? Oh wait, I can't use it with this specific one. That's why I said you could do it one of two ways. So let's say this is single sleeve font. It's like the Fortnite type font, but it's mostly used for like funny moments and stuff like that. So this, you could do it that way. I'm not gonna type anything right there, obviously. Media generators, you could go to, press legacy text, drag that in, and then do it that way. I have the subtitles right here. So, by the way, that's from the Fortnite thing, so it's saved. It's from a Fortnite Funny Moments thing, and I accidentally just deleted it, so I gotta put that back in. Boom. So, select your font and stuff like that. I use Refferals on this one. So this is the color that I use for Vinny normally, but on console videos. So what we're gonna do, I like how that was close to what I was saying. So what you're gonna want to do is you change it to the font. You can do the placement. I do bottom center. That's the easiest for me if you're doing subtitling for funny moments and stuff like that. If you want, you could draw an outline. If you don't have to, you could add a shadow, but it looks really weird with this font, and I don't really like it. Properties is how you change the text color and the background color and all of that. This is how you could do you could spread out all the letters. If you put the tracking all the way up, if you put it all the way down, it's all squished. So I usually put it at 1. If I could go back to that, there you go. So we are going to type what it says right here. So make sure it ends when you first start, and then it ends on the other side when you stop talking. So you start it here, and then you zoom in with your scroll wheel, or with the plus symbol over here. You go from the beginning to the end, and then you cut the text that way, and then you delete it. Okay, so what you can do here is you can type the exact thing but you could do I got and then, but you do that. And then for this one, you do the same thing. You zoom in, go to the end. Make sure you can copy paste it if you want, so you don't have to do everything all over again. Just copy paste it, and you can just change the words inside. So then you do that, and once you do that, you go to the little media thing, and you go to video media generators, and then you go to type what it says. So in this one, I say "oh." So I like to do, when someone screams, you can turn the font up. So let's put like 85 on this one. Boom. And then you could put the placement to the middle, like the center. You don't have to. You could keep it in the bottom center. That's just the way I like to do it. So you could just make it bigger. You can make it as big as you want, I'm pretty sure. So if I do like 500, I think it would work. Yeah, there you go. So I don't do this in my videos where I put it that big, but it's just an example. There you go. And then this is an old clip. This clip is from May of 2017. Anyway, we go back to the clip. Okay, so for this part, if you're saying two words really quickly together, you could just put that in the same thing. You could put it in the same text box. But if you want to put more effort to it, you can do it separately. But it's kind of hard to see if the thing is really short. Like I say it really fast, you won't be able to see it as quick because some people can blink and you'll miss it. So it's better to do it all in one. So this one, you could go from the beginning of the first word to the end of the second word, and then you could do this. But since I said it's 3 words, but yeah, that's fine. I got a quad. And then you can change the font size to like something a little bit bigger because you're kind of loud. There you go. Or you could change it to even bigger if you would like to. You could do 56. Boom. There you go. You could add like a little exclamation point at the end because you're excited, like a little child. Boom. I got a quad. There you go. There's O. Got a quad.
Let's get it.
And then over here, we could do the same thing. Go back to the beginning if you want the same font from the font size from the beginning, or the middle, or like that last one we just did. So you just copy paste it again. Never do the reference one. The reference one only if you're saying the same word over and over again. Use that one, but don't use that for every single one, or else every single one is going to be the same exact wording, and it'll mess up everything. You're gonna have to restart all that. So make sure you know what you're clicking before you click it. Okay, so this one is, I say, let's get it. So it starts right here. You can see like a little bit of audio right there. These little dots. So yeah, you could start it right here and end it at the where I say get it. So let's get it, and then end it right about here, and boom.
Get it.
There you go. And then my cousin, if you have multiple people in multiple people in the video, Jesus, I can't speak. You can just change the color of their text. So let's just say my cousin's red. He asked, was it split? So what you do? So sometimes you can't see the audio, but you can see that little dot right there. Was it split? So that's when I take a shot. So he asked it right about here. Sometimes you gotta guess, and it's fine if it's not completely synchronized. As long as you get close, it'll be fine. And then end the clip with me saying no. Okay. This is just how I edit. You can add more effects and stuff like that, but I use the legacy text stuff from now on because I can use this font. Some fonts don't work on the text media one, so I use this one because it can handle my font that I want. So yeah, you could use it, and it depends if your font works with it or not. I can't tell which fonts work and which don't. I have plenty of fonts just because I design and I do this, and it's a little complicated. Like I got plenty of fonts. I got some cool ones. So for this one, you could do the same thing. Like let's get it. But to change the color on here, you got to use this thing. You could select the color. Let's say it's pink. You could put the outline here, put it all like that, and it's like a white outline. So you can see it here. There you go. So let's get it. Or boom. It's not gonna, but the difference is with this one, you can't control where it goes. So you got to try and align it with something else in the video. That's why I don't like this one that much, because I have to figure out exactly where the center is. But yeah, this looks kind of weird because it's a terrible font. But you could add a shadow on this one, and you could change the font to something like this one. You do that. Let's get it. If you like that font. It does. I don't say it at that part, but I'm just showing you guys. You could do it with this one too. It's just more complicated. Actually, it's easier on this one technically, but it's just the centering is going to be a little off. So if you're fine with that, go for it. I'm just got a little bit of OCD in me, I guess. You could do cool effects with this one in this way. I don't know why I did it like that, but sure. Oh wait, because I clicked on it the wrong way. You gotta do this way if you're trying to add effects. You click on where it says none animation right here. You do jump, and then you just close it so it jumps like that. It's a little laggy because I have it on best, and I'm recording. So you can do preview and just do full. And it does a little thing. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next Sony Vegas tutorial. Later.